how to join a Whatnot live action without BD. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to watch a Whatnot live action without beating, you can simply follow up the steps. So, open up the Whatnot application first on your screen, and once you open it up, you can basically log in into your account and find the live show in which you would like to join. So, you can just look out for the live show. For example, let's say this is the live show that we would like. So, you can basically look out for this section right here. You can basically head over to the live show, and if the seller is currently live, you will be seeing a live indicator on that show. You can just basically click on the live show stream to enter, and you will be able to see the seller and the items being auctioned and the chat. You can basically join the live stream as a viewer. You don't need to auction or anything. You can just go ahead and watch the auction unfold, see the beats, and interact with the seller, and other viewers can through the chat feature without even placing any ads. If you see something you like, you can also explore any buy it now items or the seller has to offer, solicited, which allow for immediate purchase at a fixed price without even needing to bid. And that is it. So you may follow this process if you would like to join a live show without live auction without even bidding. You can just go ahead and click on any of the live auction and just sit there as a viewer. And that's it. So you may also follow the same process for that. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.